Welcome to DiscoveryMix, where the unexpected becomes unforgettable. Now that's some serious intelligence. Just look at those eyes. They say it all. This moment speaks for itself.
En ese momento, él sintió el verdadero terror.
How can you not fall in love with that distinct, pure brilliance? Thinking right now, hat reaction, priceless. Each day they surprise us more and more. Well, watch closely. Something amazing is about to happen. Is where two is what natural curiosity looks like. Only you, without words, the message is clear. Did you see that? That was next level. The in moment, total heart melter. Sometimes the little things are the most magical, not just a mix of courage and curiosity, love. His clip needs to be a movie. Look, you know something's up. Quickly clues a silent message louder than words. You will want to watch this again, trust me. 1 second of pure joy. 10 help is the kind of moment that sticks with you. Seriously, how is this even real? The time is just Talk about how smart that was. You don't need to understand the language, just the feeling. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe to DiscoveryMix for more joy, more surprises, and more moments that remind us sometimes the best parts of life are the ones we don't see coming. Thanks for being here. We'll see you in the next moment worth discovering.